All right, Trip. This Subway review. We have changed plans. We didn't go to McDonald's.
Hold on.
Happy about it.
Let's go,
I'm gonna go
Trip.
order my Subway now.
But we
go
went
get
to
your Subway.
Subway.
Bye,
Candace.
Bye.
So
I got my sandwich. It's amazing. That's 6
we're gonna rate all this stuff.
Out of 10.
10 out of
Wait, 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. All right, here we
Move
go.
your drink.
So drinks for me is 10 out of 10. What about you, Heath?
Oh, I love the drinks. It's got just enough fizz.
I'm gonna say mine's about a 9 out of 10.
Mine's about a 11 because I had cherry coke. Yeah. Okay, what about your food, Trip?
All right.
Tell the peoples what you got.
All right, so I got a protein bowl with cheese. It's pretty delicious. I give it a 6 out of 10. This is Heath.
Alright. So I got me this normal 6-inch sandwich on wheat bread and some turkey. The bread, a little chewy, 6 out of 10. But other than that, it's gonna be a 9 to a 10. Your turn.
I got a 6-inch on white bread with turkey, American cheese, lettuce, and onions with mayo. I got a bag of chips. All around, I say it's about 7 out of 10.
I got a
Filling.
foot long. I already ate 1/2, but a foot long.
He's fat.
Italian herb and seed. Ouch. And it's got ham and stuff on it, and it's very good. A 10 out of 10, definitely. Yeah.
It's been Sonic Food Review.
This is a review from the boys, LFC boys, my bad. Thank you, subscribe, and like the video or else come hunt you down. All right, bye.